We're not taking the White House down, Jschlatt. We're not doing that. I'm not fucking taking it down. I'm not taking it down. I'm not even gonna use the fucking Jschlatt. We're not taking it down. Come on, let's go. Let's go elsewhere. Stop fucking exercising. Stop exercising. Let's go. 15. Okay, let's go. So I think we should start building the fucking line. I have exercise equipment in my warehouse. Good for you, man. Good for you. We're not fucking taking down the White House. We're not taking down the White House. Listen up. We got no.
How jacked and ripped I am.
I feel like a horse. I don't care how you feel.
It's a fucking pickup. Because you're doing too much lifting.
Don't fucking take it down. I'm not gonna fucking take it down. No. You know what?
Carry out my wishes.
No. I'm not. You're not. What the fuck are you doing?
Right now, I'm gonna take a stick to the ground and then I'm gonna go to my fucking road bar.
Don't take it down. I fucking actually don't do it myself.
Call me the reps man because that's all I do these days. I just sit at home and do reps. Yeah, that's
right. Don't call you rep man. Don't fucking take it down. Don't fucking listen.
You wanted to fucking first door.
Stop. What the fuck?
Stop, man. No. Stop. Look like the fucking commandant over there. We're gonna reach over that dirt. We're gonna reach over the fucking dirty stone.
Stop.
Stop. Fucking mining. God, I can't take these fucking idiots. Who did I get to run my country with me? Fucking bunch of genius, bro. Hit the gym. Pick up some weight. Pick up a fucking football for one.
No, I'm fucking serious,
bro. You ever get laid before? Yeah, that's right. Help me mind this shit. How many stars?
We share these fucking decisions together, man. No. We share these fucking decisions together.
No.
No, you're president. I'm fucking vice president, right?
You fucking squat 200 pounds in the gym and then you come back to me, alright? 200 goddamn minimum. Okay? I'm looking at you right now. And you know what I keep track of it? Never right armor on because it makes you look good.
You know what? Why don't you just fucking do it yourself?
Oh, wow, you're giving me never right. No. Boom. I made myself a promise. I said I'm not going to associate, I'm not going to take orders from these fucking low-key.
You are literally in fucking power.
No, you're my quote of anabolic steroids into my ass.
You would have no fucking power if it weren't for me. You used my fucking vote to come to power. You used my fucking vote.
Oh, you know what'll really hurt? You little fuck. Oh no, the bag. Oh no, beautiful.
Dude, I literally made that for you. I put that. Why don't we share these decisions together? Why the fuck don't you share these decisions together?
Video when he plays in the floor. He just cries in the bed all day. He's just the hot guy who's taking his women and doing all these cool things. You know. You're crying about it.
No. You know what? You got a fucking know what, Jschlatt?
Fuck yeah, what?
You are literally my fucking power. You're in power because of me.
You put our power. Shut up, bro. I'm the president. You remember?
Oh my god. Fuck you. Literally fuck you. No.
Power is a word for me.
We put our fucking votes together. We were supposed to be a fucking team, man. And if they're there in fucking White House, I mean, we made it. You died when I fucking made it. You literally died when I fucking made it. You fucking...
Oh no! There goes...
You're not even... How are you gonna fucking advocate for democracy when you're doing this shit? Fuck you, man. Oh. You know what? No. You know what, Jschlatt?
You gotta protect me.
Fuck you. I'm never gonna fucking protect you again. I was vice president, but you can find a new fucking vice president, man. I'm not gonna do this shit. I'm not gonna do this shit anymore. You fucking the one. You know the meeting we had when you didn't fucking respect my decision?
Oh my god.
I'm fucking done here. No, I'm not.
You see what I got? You see what I got? It's a watch. Oh look, it's Quackity's watch. What time is it? Oh my god, the thing is pointing to time to cry about it. Get the fuck off of here.
You are tearing this fucking board. You know, I ran against Wilbur to prevent dictatorship. You know what you fucking did?
I'm not done. I'm doing this shit on 2.5 fucking hearts to tell. Because I goddamn help around here. You interrupted my fucking set with the dumbbells. And now I'm gonna, you know what? You do that one more time, I'm gonna start getting angry. I'm gonna start
I think, no, I fucking get that. This is mine.
Oh, no,
Like,
this is fun. This is fun. What happened to me, Tasha and Stu Tasha, bro?
that's not a thing. That's not, you don't even fucking know Spanish.
I know Spanish.
You have moldy hands and you fucking smell and you're
I know exactly what I'm talking about. And you know nothing. Yeah. Right that ball. We all know you're too much of a fucking pussy to do it.
Alright. Fuck you, dude. No, literally, fuck you. No, fine. You literally have the fucking citizen morale so fucking low, under the ground. This place might have been better with different kind of leadership.
Come over to my home, man. You the citizens should come over to my home gym and learn what it's like to be a real fucking man. You see what I've done? It's too much of a pussy to even shoot me with the bow. You kill me in one blow, but I couldn't do it. What?
He's gonna fucking... Fuck you. I'm out of here. I'm fucking out of here, man.
Get out of here.